So few days back, I gave you the update on Marksans Pharma, and we all know it's a multi-bagger for us people who have been following this channel and who have invested in Marksans Pharma at early stage of around 100 to 110, right? So yesterday I made a video on Kaplan Point. In fact, it was an update video. Okay, and you know how strong fundamentals are for Kaplan Point, and I made the video in my other channel, Financial Affairs. And today I am back with another pharma company, that is Par Drugs. Okay, so this is a small cap company, although technically it's a micro cap. Why is that? Because the market cap is still below 500 crore. It is 400 something crore. It is not yet 500. So technically it's a micro cap, but we can call it a small cap company. In this video, I'm going to do the complete analysis of the stock, and we will find out if this small cap / micro cap stock is worthy of attention or not. Along with fundamentals, I will also do the price action analysis, and I will let you know the entry timing. So please be with me. But remember one thing, that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Par Drugs and Chemicals official website. Like always, I'll share this link in the description section. You can go through it and find out details about this company before making any move. Okay, now let's go to the important numbers and see the key highlights of this stock. Okay, so here it is mentioned that this company has been incorporated in the year 1982. Okay, and it manufactures APIs and fine chemicals. Right now you can see in the product portfolio all the things it manufactures. Let us go to some of the key highlighting points about this company. Okay, clientele. So you can see the clientele names: Essential Drug Company, Pfizer Limited, United Phosphorus, Cipla. So these companies are actually well known famous companies, and they are its clientele, so it's a good thing. Then export countries. This company exports to 16 different countries, okay, including Germany, UK, Bangladesh, Iran and UAE. Okay, so we can see that the geographic split, the revenue mainly is coming from domestic 79%, which is good thing, and export is 21%, which is also a good number. So it has a good mix up of domestic and exports revenue split. Okay, so it's a good thing. Right now let's go to the basic numbers and see if the numbers are looking good or not. Okay, so the current price is 341, and one thing I would like to highlight here is the number of shares. It is just 1.23 crores, so the number of shares are very less, which is a good thing. Supply is less, so the demand should be more. Okay, now as I mentioned, market current price is 340, market cap is 419.22, no debt at all, so debt to equity ratio is 0.00, current ratio 3.20 is a good number. 3 years average sales growth 16, average profit growth 12, and return on capital employed 3 years average is 23. All these numbers are looking good. Operating profit margin stands at almost 26. This is also a good number. And the alt manager score is 8.93. This is also a good number, and the promoter holding is 73.37. So we can see that the promoters are holding majority of the stake. That means they are very confident about their own company. Right now let's take a look at the profit and loss statement and see what it is telling us. So we can see the sales in March 2023 and 2024 are same, 96 crore, although it's a jump from the previous year, from 2022, from 75 to 96, and if we go back further, we can see it was 61 the year preceding that. So clearly the sales are growing, and the trailing 12 months the sales is 104 crore. Right, operating profit 18 crore, 23, 27. Okay, operating profit margin 19%, 24%, 26%. So clearly there is sign of growth, and the operating profit margin is also increasing, which is a good thing. Earning per share growth 9.21 to 11.78, then 14.85. And if I go back 1 year prior to 2023, you can see the earning per share was 7.49. Okay, clearly this stock is growing. Okay, this small cap, micro cap stock is growing. Okay, and now let's take a look at the shareholding pattern. So when we check the shareholding pattern, we can see the promoters have slightly reduced their stake in the last quarter itself. Okay, from 74.21 to 73.37. So this is a very minor drop, less than 1%, somewhere around 0.8%, which is fine. And FIs have also reduced their stake from 0.32% to 0.09%. If I go back, I can see they were holding 0.07% earlier. So I would say overall the shareholding pattern is looking stable, no major red flag. Okay, considering it's a small cap company, and also there will definitely will be some profit booking from the promoter's end and also from FI's end. So these drops are very minor, 0.02, 0.08, this is fine. If we see something like 5% drop, okay, then it would have been something to be worried about, but here the case is not that. So that's why I would say that the shareholding pattern is looking very stable. So this was the overall outlook on the fundamentals of power, drugs and chemicals. And if you are liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Now let's take a look at the price action, and there is something which is very interesting. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so let's go to the price action. So this is the daily chart for power, drugs and chemicals, but first of all let me take you to the weekly chart. Okay, and when I take you to the weekly chart, what do you see? So we can see clearly a cup with handle pattern. You can see the stock was consolidating for a very long period of time. Here it tried to give a breakout. Okay, again it failed, again it tried to give a breakout, and here very small correction, and there is the breakout. Okay, and here is the big move, 20%. Okay, on the date of recording, that is the 2nd of December. Okay, so a big move here, right? So let us now check the momentum indicators and see if the volumes are looking good or not. Okay, so volumes also will check. Let's check the momentum indicators. So when I enable the momentum indicators, I can clearly see there is some sharp move here. Okay, clearly the stock is staying above the middle line, 50 line, and also above the moving average, I mean the RSI moving average. So clear sign of strength, and also there is a crossover here. Okay, and you can see the follow up candles for the breakout are looking very strong, right? And as I mentioned, we'll check the volumes. So let me enable the volumes, and you can see the volume bars were this size, okay, earlier, and here there is a big attempt for a breakout which failed, but the stock came back, and back to back big green candles here. Okay, clear sign of strength here, and then the stock is starting to go up. Okay, so I would say that this stock is looking very strong to me. Okay, and definitely it has the potential, as it's a debt free company and a growing company, it can be a multi-bagger in coming days, okay, coming months, right? So this is the overall outlook on weekly chart. Okay, now if I go to the daily chart, I will show you something else. The big cup with handle pattern is also having a small cup with handle pattern, and this is the small part. Okay, and here you can see another cup with handle pattern, and there is the breakout. Okay, and if I check the volume, you can see the breakout candle is having very good volume, similar to this one. Okay, where it attempted the first breakout, but this time here it failed, but here it is successful. Okay, and if you want, we can incorporate some of the more technical tools also. I will be using the fib retracement tool. So let me go to the weekly so that the chart is looking a little bit cleaner. Okay, and if I use the fib retracement tool, this is the high and this is the low. Okay, so let me highlight the high and low. This is the high, this is the low. Okay, then I can clearly see the stock took a rest around 50% to 61.8% level. Okay, fib retracement level, which is a very good thing. And if I go back again to the daily time frame and enable 50 days EMA, you will see the stock is providing very good support, and this support helped the stock during this breakout process. Okay, so all the signs are looking very strong to me, and overall I would say this stock is definitely one of the most promising stocks you can look for. And if you want to do a swing trade in this stock, then also you can, although I would say you should hold it for a little bit longer period, because this is a good investment and it could turn out to be a big multi-bagger for you, because it's a debt free company and a growing company. So why would you not want to grab the maximum amount of profit it is offering to you? Why do you want to just close it with 15-20% profit? Okay, so the bottom line is this is fundamentally strong stock, shareholding pattern is good, it is a growing stock, and the price action is giving us a hint that this might be the perfect time to make an entry. Although repeating myself, this is not a stock recommendation video. Okay, this is just an educational video, right? So this could be a very good time to make an entry in this stock, but remember that this is a micro cap / small cap stock. Please invest limited amount. Do not make this your primary investment. Do not dump a lot of money into this stock. Only invest a limited amount, okay, which you would not do for a mid cap or a large cap company. There you should invest majority of the money. Here as it is highly risky, so you should invest limited amount. So how much is that limit? It is up to you how much capital you have. Okay, so that is the overall outlook on power, drugs and chemicals. I hope this video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis post. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Bye. Take care.